Alright, welcome back again to my channel, and today we are going to continue Pictoblox tutorial, and today we are going to make chat GPT assistant, Toby as assistant. Okay, we will make Toby will answer the question that you give to him. Okay, chat GPT assistant. How to make this one? To make it quick, alright, welcome back to my channel, and let's continue Pictoblox tutorial. And today we are going to make ChatGPT assistant. What? ChatGPT assistant? Did you hear ChatGPT before? Of course you know, right? And today we will make Toby as our assistant. Toby will answer the question that you give to him. Okay, to make it quick, let's go. Let's open Pictoblox. Yeah, Toby here. Hello, Toby. Hello. Okay, Toby here. And I already changed the backdrop. Not always white. White again. We will change another backdrop. Toby, stand by here. Sprite equals sprite Toby. Okay. And like usual, I just prepare the script. We will copy and paste, and I will give the little explanation about this sprite. Yeah. Generative pre-trained transformer, that's GPT. Okay, we copy from here to here and paste over here. Alright, only that one. Okay, the explanation is GPT equal chat GPT, so we call the library of chat GPT. Okay, and TS is variable text to speech. Okay, we type something. Yeah, this is the variable. Yeah, variable GPT and TS. From, yes, equals sprite input. What would you like to ask? Okay, Toby will say that one. And the process in this code, in this script, yeah, in the line 7, GPT asks on chat GPT, AI assistant, comma prompt. What prompt you wrote before? Prompt, we call here prompt. And answer, this is answer equal GPT chat GPT result. We will wait the answer from the real chat GPT platform. For this tutorial, we are using Pictoblox as a second, maybe what we call it, second application to generate ChatGPT from the main application ChatGPT. Okay, and then sprite say answer. Okay, the answer that we got from here will show here, and text to speech dot speak answer. Toby will show the answer what the question you give to him. Okay, that's only the code, and let's run the program. Just click run all. Okay, Toby already. Toby here. Yeah. What would you like to ask? Maybe what is the function of RAM. Okay, we ask Toby what is the function of RAM. Toby generate. Okay,
the function of RAM, random access memory, is to temporarily store data that the computer is actively using. It is a form of computer memory that allows data to be read from or written to quickly. RAM provides fast and temporary storage for the operating system, applications, and data that are currently in use by the computer. It allows the CPU, Central Processing Unit, to access and retrieve data quickly, improving the overall performance and speed of the computer. The data stored in RAM is volatile, meaning it is lost when the computer is turned off or restarted.
Okay, you see that? Okay, Toby as our assistant. Okay, but the Toby voice is women, right? we can change into another sprite, maybe so many sprite over here. Just choose people, or you can choose Hazel, AB for the text to speech over here. Okay, that's cool, right? We make the chat GPT with Pictoblox. Okay, I think that's all for today. It's great. Let's follow it. Just do by yourself. You can try it at your home, and see you. Bye bye.